There are a few different ways to convert a React application into a single HTML file, but one common method is to use a tool called Webpack to bundle all of your application's code and assets into a single file. The following are the steps we are supposed to do. First of all, we need to create a React application. In our case, we are going to make a navbar app. Next, we will bundle that application into a single JavaScript file with the help of Webpack. Finally, we will import the bundled JavaScript file into the HTML file using script tag. So we are going to do the step 1, that is creating the React application, and the application we are going to create is an static navbar. This is the React application we had created, and we are moving to next step. Our next step is to bundle the React application we already built into a single JavaScript file, and for doing it, we need the help of Webpack tool. Install the command on the label. Create a Webpack configuration file in the root of your project. This file will define how Webpack should build and bundle your application. We also required to import Bootstrap into the index.js, otherwise styles won't get bundled. Next, run the command npm run build. The build process has completed successfully. The file named bundle.min.js can be found in the specified location mention on the label. To include the React application in a single HTML file, simply load the bundle.min.js file in an HTML tag. Our final step is load the bundled JS file into a new HTML file. First, we create the HTML file in which we need to load the bundled JavaScript file. Then we specify where the bundle.min.js is located in the script tag. And it is also important to give body tag ID to be named root, otherwise your React app would not get painted. All the steps has been finished. Now just open the HTML file. You could see your React application on a single HTML file. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.